Alright, welcome to Jaka Quantics. Now in this tutorial, I'll be putting us through how to use some Excel functions, Excel tools. Are they functions? Tools. Alright. Now the first one will be how to use the Format Painter button or the Format Painter icon. And the second will be I want to show us how to apply color to our Excel worksheet tab. Alright, and number 3, I want to show us how to move an Excel sheet from one workbook to another. Now, these are the 3 things I'll be putting us through in this video, and I want to be as quick as possible. Alright, now the first is I want to show how to use the Format Painter icon, the Format Painter button. Now, see, this is Format Painter here. If you can see this Format Painter brush, right? It helps you to copy something you have on one item and apply it on another. Right? It allows you to copy formatting from one section of a text or an object and apply it on another. I'll tell us how it works. Now, if you look at what I have here, this description is highlighted blue, right? And what I have there, I don't have only description, I have so many other ones there. I have quantity, I have unit, I have rate. I want to apply everything. One way I can highlight everything and go and look for the blue color that I use and search for it, then apply it. Let me see, is it this one? I think it is. Alright. Or instead of me going through that route, I can just come here. This is description. I've clicked format and apply. Alright, instead of me going to start searching for which color I used or which color I did not use, I just click the Format Painter and I apply it. It can be done on a whole page. It can be done on just a few sections, or like what we just did now. Another way is this. Okay, see here. This is filling, right? Now this filling is on another. How will I put it? Font height, another font generally is another font, right? Now if this is Times New Roman and this font is Calibri Light, all right, now I can either click on this and go and start looking for Times New Roman. No, just click on it and put Times New Roman, right? And then I apply, and then I go over to, this is 16, then I go to 16 and I have it like this. Or I go straight with the Format Painter button, which is faster. This is what I want. I click the Format Painter button and I click on that, and it goes straight to Times New Roman and 16. Right? Okay, I think this also applies to this. I want to work on this. Click here, click Format Painter, and I have this. Okay, I have this disposal. Right? This is a heading. All right, look at this filling, look at this treatment. It's a heading, so I want to make it look like this. All I need to do, click on this that has what I want, click the Format Painter button, and I apply. All right, so this is basically how you use the Format Painter button. It makes your work faster once you know how to do it. Instead of you going and start searching for what is not lost, you just click on what you have that has what you want, click the Format Painter button, and then you apply. All right, that is that on the Format Painter button. Now number 2 is how to apply color to your worksheet tab. Now where I am now, this is a worksheet. This is a worksheet. This is another worksheet. This is another worksheet. You can see sheet 1 is another sheet, right? These are tabs. These are tabs. These are tabs. All right. Now this is another tab. All right. I want to apply color to these tabs just to make my workbook beautiful. Now this is a work. This whole thing here is a workbook. The complete sheet here. If I come here, right, this is a workbook. That is why you say everything is good. Excuse me. All right, this is a workbook. So I want to show us how to apply color to these sheet tabs. All right, all I need to do, look at this is swimming pool here. I right click. Come again. Excuse me. I right click. And if you here, you see color tab. I click on this, then whatever I want, I choose. Now let's call it green. Right? I go to the cover page. Right. Let's call it interesting. Let's call it orange. All right, the same way here. This one here. Let's call it blue. All right, so this is how you apply color to your tabs. Right, so you can see it has given this workbook a different look. Each tab now has a color. So we'll go to the next quickly. Let's give you one. All right, so this is how you apply color to your worksheet tabs. All right, now quickly, I want to move. That's number 3. I want to move from any worksheet here to another workbook. You can see I already opened one workbook here. This is it here. This is another work I did for a client. Now, excuse me, please. All right, so I want to move a sheet here, this swimming pool worksheet here. I want to move it to this workbook. All right, now let's see how it's done. Now, firstly, I come to this swimming pool sheet. I right click. Now, if you look at what we have here, this pop-up, you see move or copy. I click on move or copy. It tells me where I want it to go. If I have so many workbook opened, it will tell me, it will list out every one of them and ask me which one I want to go to. Now, this is what I have. To workbook. If I click this drop down, now I have 2 workbook down, or do I want it to a new book? If I want it on a new book, I want it to be separated, I click it. Now, but I want it to go to this one here, proposed residential development at Shoreline Estate. This is what I want it to, where I want it to go. I click on this. Now it asks me before which one, because I have about 3 sheets there. Before which one? Do I want it before main building? Do I want it before external works? Do I want it before general summary? Do I want it to go to the end? Which anywhere I want, I just click. Alright, I want it to go before general summary. Normally it should be before general summary, except I want it to stand alone. I click on this is before sheet, that's general summary. Then here I can choose to create a copy. If I want to still have a copy here, I click create a copy. But if I don't want a copy here, I don't click. So everything moves from here entirely, goes to another workbook. Right, but I still want it here because I'm just trying to show us some. All right, I click here now, means create copy. I will still have a copy here. It will not go anywhere, but a copy is going to another workbook. All right, and I click OK. All right, now you can see here, this is swimming pool. So I have swimming pool here now. All right, so whatever I want to do, I can do on this. Then I can maybe bring it down to general summary or whatever I want to do. Then I still have a copy here. It is still here. Right, so I didn't lose it from this particular workbook. It's still in this workbook, and then I took a copy to the other workbook. All right, we just looked at how to use the format painter button and how to apply color to your worksheet tabs. And number 3, we looked at how to move a worksheet to another workbook and vice versa. I hope this tutorial helps you in your professional career, in your academic works, and give you a better understanding of how to use the Excel, uh, Microsoft Excel, basically. All right, it is Chaka Context. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.